Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. In this video, we will continue your SQL learning journey by taking one step further and exploring essential topics on SQL that very important for beginners and job aspirants. They should know. I will explain everything, real-time examples and with simple explanations. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For that, now you must know that these are the most important for the database rule. Okay, then go for the next. What the next? We first create the database. Then we know what are the database objects. There is the database or default database objects. Okay, then how to draw the database? Draw database. For drop database, what is the query for the drop database? Drop database. Database name. What is my database name? Code with me. Okay. Why it giving error? Cannot drop database code with us because it is a currently used. Okay. You if your the database is active, then you can't remove it, drop it. Okay. How to drop the database? Manually go to the master database. Then now they execute it. Commands completely successful. Okay. Okay. The first create the database objects and how to drop the database. Then database naming convention. Okay, naming convention. There is a certain rules how I give the database name. Okay, then we again we create my database. Commands completely successfully. Then active my database. Commands completely successfully. Then we have to know the database naming convention. Okay, we need to follow file naming a database. Okay, you have to commit it. Okay, then the first rule of the while creating the database naming convention, what is the first rule? It should be starting with character, alphabet, and underscore. It should be starting with character, alphabet, and underscore. Okay. Then second rule is it should be followed with character, alphabet, underscore, numbers only. Okay. It should be followed with character, alphabet, underscore, and numbers only. Maximum, the the maximum character length should be 128 bytes, means 256 character long. Maximum should be 128 bytes, 256 character long. Okay, but maybe the, for example, osmi underscore 02. This is the correct way of naming convention. Okay, it obey the all the rules. Okay, this is correct. Okay, second, osmi space 02. 02. Wrong. This is wrong. Why? There is a space was there. Okay. Then 3. Asmi within 6 2026 02. This is correct also. Okay. These are the some examples how to create the database name. Okay. Then okay. Then we know the how to create a table inside a database. How to create a table inside a database. Okay. How? How to create a data inside it? Okay. Then if a column name is student ID, if a column is student ID, the first you have to know the string, integer, date. Okay, string, integer, date. For now, you know these things: string, integer, and date. The student ID, what? String. Okay. Why? You have to maybe arise a question: why student ID string? Student ID 1 2 3 4 6 7? Not. Student ID in this student ID means not 1 2 3 4 6. Maybe the student ID may be A1, A2, A3, like that. Maybe. So for that student ID is string. Then the student name. Student name. Student name is string. Also no string means the character value. Okay. Then the age. These are the examples I give for the you know how the what are the characters and which column having the which data type. Okay. Okay, we know the which column which data type. Okay, then the age is a number means integer. Okay, then gender gender is a what string, male female unisex. Okay, then date of inquiry. Date of inquiry means it is a date. day data type, then course. Okay, course string. Okay, so maybe the course is data analytics, maybe the course is machine learning, whatever the course, these are the string data type. Then create our first table. Okay, how to create table? Just drag it below. How to create a table? Okay, how to create a table? Then create table. Okay, the it's simple. Create table table name whatever you can keep. Okay, mean student inquiry is a table. Okay, if if we want to the certain columns keep inside the table, how to add the certain columns? Okay, then in a box, in a round or in a round bracket, then we give the all the table a column name with the column data type. How? We first write the create table name. Okay, the create table name is student inquiry. Then in the round bracket we write the our column name and column with column data type. Okay, the first the column name is student id. Okay, this is a character. Hmm, we have to write char only. Okay, char only. The character length means we have to restrict the character length. If I give 10, above the 10 character we cannot put the student id. Okay, we put like 20. Okay, then the another column student name is a column. Then student name, what the character type is string type means the char. Okay, then the student name is char. We have give the length of the student name may be 20, 30, 25, whatever, 10, 5. Okay, you have to give 30. Next, the age is a integer value. You have to write int, only int. We in this integer we can't give the any number. Okay, we don't have to give the number of the integer. Okay, then the age, the gender 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 is what? Start the what is SQL data types. Okay, the SQL data types is first of all SQL data types. What are the SQL data types? The first are numeric data types. The second one is character data type. Then third one is date and time data types. Fourth one is Boolean data types. Fifth one is binary data types. Okay. So first of all, we know about what is the numeric data types. What are the numeric data types? What are included in the numeric data types? Okay, numeric data types means number, integer. The first is integer. Integer means whole number, whole numbers. Next, big int. Big int means big integer. Integer is very large whole number. Okay. Then third one is small int. Small int is small whole number. Then the decimal. Decimal means exact decimal values. Okay. The third one is sorry. First int, big int, small integer, decimal, then float. Float is approximate decimal values. Okay. These are the numeric data types. Okay. Then character data type. In character data types, what are the types of data was there included? The first one is type. The first one is character. CHAR. Char. Fixed length text. Okay. Then varchar. Varchar means variable length text. Then text. Text means large amount of text. Okay. Then then the third one is date and time data types. Okay. Date and time data types means date. First one is date means YYYY MM DD. Okay. Then time means hour HH minute second. The next is date time. The date and time together. Okay. The stamp is timestamp. Timestamp. Timestamp means current time and time tracking. Okay. Then the fourth one is Boolean data types. In Boolean data types, blob is the one means images, files, documents. Okay. These are the SQL data types. Okay. Then the fifth one is binary data types. Binary data types means sorry. Okay. Then start the Boolean data types. Boolean data types means Boolean true and false. False means 1 or 0. Okay. Then binary data types. Binary data types means blob, images, files, documents. Okay, these are the binary data types. Okay. Then the interview question, the must, it is an interview question. What is the difference between char and versus varchar? Char means fixed length and faster, and may waste space. Okay. A varchar means variable length, saves space, most commonly used. Varchar most commonly, the mostly we common use the varchar, and the length of the character is variable. It cannot be fixed. Okay, and it save the space. Okay, and the only char means the it fixed the length of the character and faster, and it waste the space. Okay, just write it. Fixed length, faster, and may waste space. Okay. A varchar means variable length, save space, mostly most commonly used. Most commonly used. Okay. Okay. We can we can say that character is a fixed length data type, whereas varchar is a variable length data type. Okay. Char always uses the defined storage and space. Okay. File varchar stores defined storage and space. Okay. Char is a fixed length data type where varchar is a variable length data type. Char is always uses the defined storage spaces and past sorry and extra spaces. While varchar stores only the actual data, making it more storage efficient. Okay. Then we know the what are the data types. Okay. Then go for the next topic. Okay. Then now we know about the certain objects when we create after the table. Okay. After we create a table, we see the different objects. Okay. First of all, we know that what are the after we create a table, we see the default objects of the table as columns, then keys, then constraints, then triggers, then indexes, indexes. Okay, then keep number. Then sixth. The sixth number is statistics. Okay. Then we had what is column? You know that what is column? Stores the data, store the actual data in table. Example name, age, salary. Okay. Then keys. What is keys? Keys means uniquely identify records and create relationship between tables. Okay. Uniquely identify records and create relationship relationships between tables. The third one is constants. Constants means certain rules to extend the input the data in column. Okay. There is certain rules that enforce data accuracy and integrity. You know about latter. What are that? Okay. Later you know about that in briefly. The unique. Okay. Then the triggers. What is triggers? Triggers automatically execute SQL code when insert, update, delete events occur. Means automatically execute codes when insert, update, or delete events occur. Okay. Then the indexes. Indexes means improve query performance by enabling faster data retrieval. Latter part we know about these things in briefly. I explain it very thoroughly and simple way. Okay. First of all, for now, we just know about what are the things only. Yeah. This is improve query performance by enabling faster data retrieval. Okay. Then the statistics. Statistics means we store information about distributions to help the SQL optimizer choose efficient query execute plans. Okay, the statistics means help SQL decide the faster way to get data. It help it help SQL decide the faster way to get data. Data okay. Column means fields that store data in table. Okay, fields that store in data in table. Okay, name is salary example of that. The keys means help identify records and connect tables. Okay. The constant means rules that control when data can be stored. Now some restriction was there while we put the data in the column. Okay. Then the triggers. Triggers means actions that run automatically when data changes. When data changes, automatically it run, execute the code. Okay. Insert, update, delete. It automatically execute. Okay. The index means help find data faster. Only index X means find the data faster. Okay. Help. Then okay. Then create a table. How to create? We already know about the how to create a table. Create table. Table name. Create table. Student inquiry. What are the column? We give the first student ID. The char data type. We have to insert only only 10 character length. On that's why we put in the 10. Okay. Then student name. We have char 10. Okay. Then age. Age is integer data type. Then gender. Okay. We have char data type. Then date of birth. Date of birth is data type. Date. Data type. Then the course. The course is char data type. Char 10. Okay. This is the simple syntax. Okay. We have to remember that. After practice it multiple times, it already it will print in our mind. Okay. Then that is the main thing we have to remember that the create table name in a round bracket. We give the all the column name with the what are the data types and with the length of the data type. Okay. In char and varchar we give the number, the how much amount of means what so first of all this is the syntax create table name, and these are the column name, and this is the character varchar int varchar. These are the data type, and the 10 we have to give the length of the data type. Okay, the 10 we can put only the 10 length of the 10 length of id. We cannot put the 11 length of the character. Okay, we have to do that. Just know that. Okay, we now we create a table, the student inquiry table. Just select it and execute it. Okay, the command completed successfully. Then how to select the entire table? We already create the table. Then we know the how to select the entire table. So syntax is select star. Star means the every field. It includes star means it included the every column name of the star from means from which the student inquiry. Okay, how to select the entire table? Select star from student inquiry. Okay, select it and execute it. Okay, it shows all the column names, field names. Why it is not all the blank values? For now, till now, we will not give the any value in this table. We only create the create a table and we only create all the column name. Till now we not store the value in this table. Okay, then now we know that how to create a table and how to create column and how to show the entire table, how to select the entire table. Select star from star means the total the column name, the every column of the table, what are the included in the table, student included table. And from means where are you from, where we are extract the table. Okay, from the student inquiry, the table name is student inquiry. From the student inquiry we want to extract the all the column name. Okay, select star from student inquiry, just it. You have to, then we put the, that's it for today video. I hope this session made concepts clear. If you found it useful, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel for update the new upcoming SQL tutorials. So happy learning. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.